Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be talking about some of the new skincare launches that have blown my mind with their formulation and how affordable they are. And I will be talking about 5 such products in this video. Make sure to stick till the end because I have something for you. Before that, if you're new here, hi, I'm Maitrayee Halder. I do make a lot of informative beauty related contents such as this. So if you like what you see, then do subscribe. First product in the list, which is by far the best lip balm I have ever came across. These two are from WishCare. Now my comment section was full of questing a review of these two lip balms, and hence I tried it, and I have to say this is the best lip balm I have ever tried. We are going to talk about why, but let's just talk about the pricing because this comes in super affordable pricing and comes in two variants. The non-tinted one, which is unisex, can be used by both men and women, but the tinted one is my absolute favorite because it provides all of the goodness that the non-tinted one has, but with a pop of color that I personally adore. Now what makes these lip balms unique is that it is one of the first lip balms that I saw which comes with such high SPF coverage. It comes with the SPF rating of 50 and PA rating of 3+. Most of the lip balm available in India only mention the UVB rating, which is the SPF rating, but most of them skip on the part of the PA rating, which is the UVA protection, and that is the most important protection because UVA is more harmful than the UVB. This comes with a broad spectrum protection that will surely protect your lips. Second thing is that it has two powerful actives, which is kojic acid and niacinamide. Kojic acid is a tyrosinase inhibitor which blocks the production of melanin, hence improving the pigmentation. Now, I am someone who personally faces a lot of lip pigmentation, and if you have a similar concern like mine, this is going to help you a lot because it has a combination of niacinamide, which is also brightening, but overall it helps to maintain the skin barrier. This also has a combination of emollients and occlusives such as shea butter, cocoa butter, ceramides, and vitamin E, which is great for preventing dry and chapped lips. Lastly, it comes in a really nice chapstick packaging. My personal preference of any kind of lip balm is kind of like on the go packaging. You don't need a mirror or something. You don't have to like put your finger in the tub and then apply it. It's very hygienic and it can easily fit onto your purse, pockets, and even your wallets. Now I haven't seen any Indian brands making ceramide lip balm which has such high SPF rating and broad spectrum protection, so it's safe to say it's India's first ceramide lip balm which has SPF rating of 50 and PA rating of 3+. Now if you talk about my review, for me this is kind of like a 100 out of 5 product and I really love this. If you want to purchase this or any other products mentioned in this video, you will find all of the links including the timestamps mentioned in the description box below. Coming on to next affordable find, which is the Kombucha Hydra Repair Sunscreen from Caffeine. Now this one comes with the SPF rating of 50 and PA rating of 4+. It also contains ceramides, hyaluronic acid, couple of other skin barrier friendly ingredients, contains caffeine, a couple of different types of ceramides, NP, AP, and also has phytospingosin, which is a really great ingredient for repairing your skin barrier. Now, I don't typically like a lot of Caffeine products, especially when it comes to their skincare range, but this particular range from Caffeine really just knocked it off. This one also claims to be water resistant, so it's really great. 399 rupees for 50 ml, coming with such high protection, coming with the water resistant claiming, and lastly the texture. Oh my god, the texture literally blends in like 5 seconds. It can be catered to all skin types, all skin tones, all weather, and it has a really nice dewy finish but without any stickiness or griminess. I personally tried it for like 3 to 4 times. Such a lightweight sunscreen gives a cooling effect and coming in such an affordable pricing with the goodness of kombucha. Now kombucha is kind of like a fermented tea. I love kombucha. I love to drink kombucha, but kombucha as an ingredient is really great for your skin barrier because of the fermented goodness. This one does has fragrance and a little bit of colorants, but my skin loved it. I have a very sensitive skin and this one is approved by me. 5 out of 5 from me, and I would highly recommend you guys to check this particular product out. By the way, this particular range was suggested by one of you guys, so I'm really thankful to whoever did so. Thanks to you, I discovered yet another amazing sunscreen. Let's talk about a disappointment. This one from Pure Skin is their Soothing Hydra Gel. Now it contains such great ingredients. Seaweed, it has betaine, it has white tea, it has a lot of good humectants, but it also has olive oil which can be comedogenic, and it also has a little bit of colorant and fragrance, which I don't mind, but many people would. Now I personally patch tested it and it didn't go well with my skin, but I love the texture. It's so cooling, it's so moisturizing, so it is kind of like a hit and miss product. I would let my sister try it because she is a very normal, not a lot of sensitivity going on there. I think she might enjoy it, but for me it didn't really suited my skin. On the first and the second patch test I did, I just wanted to make sure before giving my final review. But if you talk about the pricing, it is super affordable. 300 rupees for 50 gram of product, lasts you quite a while. But do give this one a go. It has a lot of good emollients. It has aloe leaf extract, avocado fruit oil, seaweed extract. Seaweed is a great humectant. It doesn't dries out your skin like hyaluronic acid if you don't use it correctly. This one is kind of like a 3 or 2 out of 5 from me, solely relying on the fact that it didn't work on me. But I'm really curious on trying their other products that this particular brand has to offer. Next up, I have this highly requested kind of like Indian Korean brand. This is from Quench, and this is their Mesmerize Ultra Nourishing Cream Mask. Now this has a lot of good actives: rice water, aloe vera and olive, and it is made in Korea, but it is an Indian brand. I think it's very similar to Put Simply. This is formulated with kaolin clay and glycerin, and it claims to exfoliate, soften, smoothen and brighten skin to reveal a clear hydrated complexion. Now to me, I expected a lot from this particular face mask, but to my surprise it didn't really like lived up to it. It's a great face mask, let me be clear on that. I didn't get any kind of brightening effect by using this particular face mask, but I don't think this is like an extraordinary mask. This is a very basic mask coming at a very affordable pricing of 499 rupees for 50 ml of product. This would easily last you for about like 2 months if you apply a mask on a weekly basis like me. It is also a cruelty free brand if you are curious about that. Kind of like a 4 out of 5 from me because I'm not sure how well it works in terms of brightening or clear and hydrated complexion, but it does softens your skin a little bit. That is the kind of effect that most masks typically gives you. Coming on to last but not the least, the Roa Skincare Hydra Fix Moisturizer with Niacinamide. Very new find for me. I have never seen this brand. It didn't work for my skin type. I love this moisturizer. This one suited me perfectly, but I felt like it has a little bit more occlusive than what my skin would typically need. Maybe if I have tried it on the driest of the winter months, such as like the early December. By the way, I tried this one on beginning of January, so I'm not sure about how my skin would have reacted if I tried it then. But this one is simply too occlusive for me. Talk about the ingredients. It has a very nice ingredient list. No fragrance, no colorants, has licorice extract, has niacinamide, but it is on the last part of the ingredient list. The focus ingredient of this particular product is paraffinium liquidum. Maybe that's why the texture is overall much more suited to dry, the most extremist dry and dehydrated skin. I feel like my father would really enjoy this moisturizer, so I'm gonna send it to him and will ask his opinion because he has psoriasis and his skin is really dry. I feel like he's gonna enjoy it a lot. For anyone who doesn't have dry skin, I won't suggest it, but if you have dry skin, this is a brilliant textured moisturizer. This is not heavy or sticky, but gives you immense amount of moisturization. I sometimes enjoy this moisturizer with my tretinoin, especially on the night time, because on the night time I prefer a really nice thick moisturizer. For the daytime, I feel it's like too much for me and I tend to sweat a lot. It also comes in a pump packaging, which is really great, and I would give this about like 4.5 out of 5 because of the amazing texture, because of how well it suited me, just that it didn't work for my skin type. Before you end this video, let me show you all of the other skincare products that I'm going to talk about in my later videos. So make sure you're subscribed and hit on the bell notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Let me know if you have used any of these products, especially these lip balms, because my favorite lip balms currently, and also this sunscreen. Oh my god, you guys recommend me the best skincare out there, so thanks to you. Like this video if you like my content, share this video to any of your friends, and lastly, subscribe to this channel, hit on that bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. So bye bye and take care.